we are creating a Chrome plugin to test AI intelligence. So we are creating a vacation planner. Through this, it will also help us analyze how the LLM gains AI intelligence on its own after struggling initially. So the steps are that we create a set of dummy functions and we also create a set of good functions which will help me achieve my goal of creating the vacation plan. The Chrome plugin will call the Flask API on my system and invoke the Gemini 2.0 Flash to accomplish the final objective. The process is on the on the right side we can see the UI. So herein we can select the season, the budget required, and the trip duration and the date on which we want to depart. So accordingly, it will actually tell that okay, for the summer season, these are the places. So this is a database of countries which we have created here. For example, for summer we have selected Switzerland, Norway, Canada. For winter is Thailand, Dubai, Australia. For rainy season, these two places. So we have selected these countries. We have created these countries internally in our database for these seasons. So if I select summer, I'll be routed and I'll be my vacation will plan for these three countries and so on. Then the dummy functions which are created are here: calculate PI digits, reverse strings, count vowel, etc. As you can see, they will not at all help me to achieve my final goal of doing the vacation planning. And the good functions on the right side are the analyze travel agents, find places, compute cost, etc., which will help me achieve my objective, which will help the LLM achieve the objective of creating the vacation plan for me. So internally, how is it selecting those functions automatically after some time? So the LLM this I have taken from Cursor. So this is this plan is shared by Cursor, which I have copy pasted here. So there's a function relevance analysis which is done. So when it invokes the functions calculate PI, it realizes that it is not relevant, 0% relevant, mathematical, not travel related. Count vowels is also 0% relevant. It realized thereafter the analyzed travel data is 100% relevant, find places 100 in 90% relevant, etc. So based on the requirement of travel related vacation planning and what is the actual achieved overall goal, it does a function relevance analysis. It also does the parameter matching, because the parameter which I've given is that the season, the budget, and the duration. Okay, so given these things, it will tries to see that okay, where are these things required. So for analyze travel data, it finds that okay, all these three are relevant, are the relevant parameters to be passed to this. For count vowels and calculate PI digits, the parameters are not matching. So the success factors which made the AI successful is semantic understanding of the function names, parameter matching, learning from results, the goal-oriented reasoning, adaptive behavior. So the conclusion is semantic understanding, parameter matching, learning from experience, goal-oriented reasoning, context analysis. Now let's go through the logs which got generated. So when we invoked, it got the request. I passed these parameters. It got the request here. So it knows the query is that plan a summer vacation for two people for 10 days with this much budget, traveling on 10/25 October 25 27th. It invokes the calculate PI digit function here. Thereafter invokes the count vowels. Thereafter invokes the reverse string. As we saw earlier, these are not relevant to achieve my final goal of vacation planning. Thereafter, it went ahead on its own and found that analyze travel data is a relevant function here. It invokes this function also. It also invokes another function find places with parameters. And finally, it invokes a relevant function to create my vacation plan. So I will show how this is working. So we will go to Chrome now. So this is my UI. This is my UI. So this is already summer, so let me change it to winter, for example. Okay. So this is a set of parameters being passed here, and I'll say plan my vacation. So we see that the vacation has been created successfully. Let's see that what are the logs which have got generated here. So we will go here and so these are the logs which have got generated here. Yeah. So these are logs which have got generated. Yeah. So if you look at this one, so this is we just now invoked it. So this is a request which was sent, the plan a winter vacation for two people. So initially, it actually invoked the calculate pi digits, which is an irrelevant function which you realize after some time. It invoked the count vowels also, passing the same set of parameters. It thereafter invoked the reverse string also. So it invoked all these functions which are kind of irrelevant, and thereafter it went and invoked the required one, analyze travel data with the required parameters. Okay. So thereafter you see that when it is invoked, it is getting now it is getting the data successful and realizes that this is the function which is required to achieve my goal. And thereafter it finally retrieves the entire vacation plan here. So vacation plan can be seen here. So this is a vacation plan is got generated now. Yeah. So this is a vacation plan, it has got generated here. It's saying, yeah. So it says that how do you go around planning the vacation? It is given here, like what are the destinations to go, how much is the cost, etc. So that's about it. Thank you.